The Carnival Panorama is an innovative ship packed with activities, food, and bars. In this video, we'll tell you about the delicious food on board, then we'll dive into some of the exciting bars. After that, I'll go through some of the activities you won't want to miss, and I'll even share a few tips that will help you make your Carnival Panorama cruise the best it can be. If you stick around, we'll tell you how you can get a digital download of our Carnival Panorama ship guide. Let's start with the food, starting with Guy's Pig and Anchor Smokehouse. Delicious barbecue smoked right on board the ship. Beef, pork, sausage, chicken, delicious sides, awesome smokehouse food, and it'll cost you a little extra dinner, but at lunchtime, they have offerings at no extra charge. There's also the Carnival Classic Guy's Burger Joint. Guy's Burger Joint has delicious burgers and fries. My favorite's the Ringer, a cheeseburger topped with an onion ring and barbecue sauce. If you want to customize your burger, go over to the toppings bar. Check out the menu, you got some delicious options. Or like I say, you can modify and make your own creation. Blue Iguana Cantina is another complimentary option that offers both breakfast and lunch. For breakfast, you can get a delicious breakfast burrito or huevos rancheros. And at lunch, you can get tacos, burritos, lots of delicious items, Mexican food, no extra charge, made while you wait, with delicious tortillas made right on the Carnival Panorama. Fahrenheit 555 Steakhouse is a delicious fine dining steakhouse, specialty dining option. Costs a little extra, but we think Carnival steakhouses are always worth it. Delicious steak or seafood. I recommend the ribeye. Gigi Asian Kitchen is an Asian specialty restaurant. Delicious traditional Asian dishes and some exotic dishes you may not have ever had before. For just a little extra, you can enjoy specialty dining with Asian food at Gigi Asian Kitchen. The Seafood Shack is another great option. You can get fried shrimp, lobster rolls, peel and eat shrimp, a lot of great seafood at the Seafood Shack. If you're enjoying this kind of information, please give us a thumbs up. Let us know that you like what we're doing by clicking the thumbs up symbol below. Now let's talk about the bars. Starting with the Heroes Tribute Bar, a first for Carnival on the Panorama. The Heroes Tribute Bar is a tribute to veterans and the military families that have sacrificed so much. A great place to get a beer and enjoy the decor with all the military memorabilia celebrating the veterans at Heroes Tribute Bar. Guy's Pig and Anchor Brewhouse, part of the smokehouse I mentioned earlier, has parched pig craft beer brewed right on the ship. You can go there and enjoy a delicious, freshly brewed beer and grab some of that barbecue while you're there. The Alchemy Bar is a great spot for an upscale drink, a craft cocktail made for you by their mixologists. Get a selection from their unique menu, or tell them what kind of drink you like and they'll make up something special just for you. The Red Frog Rum Bar is out by the pool. It's a great spot to go get yourself a nice tropical drink or one of their specialties like Red's Rum Treasure. Across from the Red Frog Rum Bar is the Blue Iguana Tequila Bar, another poolside bar where you can get a margarita, beer, whatever you want. Piano Bar 88 is a great late night spot where the piano entertainer will play songs for you, lead sing-alongs, late into the night while you enjoy drinks at the piano bar. Now let's talk about the activities, starting with Sky Zone. Carnival Panorama is the very first to have Sky Zone, an indoor trampoline park, the first at sea, indoor, trampolines. You can play basketball, dodgeball, have all kinds of fun as you jump in the air while you're on a cruise. There's also Sky Ride, a Carnival exclusive where you can ride a flying bicycle above deck on a cruise ship. What fun! The Punchliner Comedy Club is a fun spot to go enjoy professional stand-up comedians with no cover charge, no minimums. Grab a drink or just enjoy the show at Punchliner Comedy Club. Cloud9 Spa is a great spot when you want to relax, you want to get pampered. Go enjoy their variety of spa services, get a massage or a facial, manicure, or visit the salon. Cloud9 Spa. What a way to pamper yourself. For the kids, they've got kids clubs and a teen club. And this ship even has Bookville, a Dr. Seuss themed library. The kids can enjoy fun activities based on their age group, and they can enjoy some of the fun in the Dr. Seuss themed library, Bookville. Carnival Panorama has the most shopping venues of any ship in the fleet. If you want to do some shopping while you're on the cruise, Carnival Panorama is the ship to be on. Get yourself a souvenir, some jewelry, duty-free goods, all kinds of great shopping on Carnival Panorama. Now how about a couple tips? Tip number 1, consider signing up for Carnival Kitchen. Another first for Carnival Panorama, Carnival Kitchen has cooking classes. You can learn how to make pasta, sushi, cupcakes, other baked goods, barbecue, and they even have a class where they teach how to make some of the classic Carnival food items that you enjoy while you're on board. Be sure to reserve your spot in Carnival Kitchen before you set off on your cruise. Tip number 2, consider getting a Havana room. The Havana rooms have great theming and exclusive access to the Havana pool area and bar. It's a great way to enjoy your cruise on the Carnival Panorama with a resort feel of Old Havana as you enjoy the outdoor areas exclusive to the Havana area. Tip number 3, don't miss out on Cherry on Top. Cherry on Top has delicious treats, including some Carnival exclusives like their gummy funnels and their mini cookies. Great option. You can even order some of these items to be delivered to your room in advance of your cruise. Tip number 4, be sure to download our Carnival Panorama digital download ship guide. It tells you what's on board, where to find things, what costs extra, and we're even including a bar crawl to help you enjoy exploring the bars on board the Carnival Panorama. You can get yours by clicking the link in the description below. If you haven't done so yet, be sure to subscribe. It doesn't cost anything, it's just a way to follow us so you don't miss out on our future cruise content. Be sure to subscribe with the notification bell on so you don't miss out on our live shows, typically on Saturdays at 3 o'clock Eastern Time, where we have interviews, cruise tips, lots of great cruise information. You won't want to miss out, so be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.